Okay, this is video reflection November 18th. Yeah, not much to say, besides that it's finals. So, yeah, I'm studying. Right now it's Chinese. An hour later it's gonna be math, and 2 hours later it's gonna be social studies, on and on and on. But, yeah, I'm spending a lot of time studying. I'm spending all my time studying. I don't know what to say other than, yeah, it's tough. But I have done these tests 3 times so far, right? So I could confidently say that I'm quite used to taking tests. So wish me good luck. Hopefully I get less than 1 B on the finals, because I already know I'm gonna get 1, absolutely. That's just because of the midterms, but hopefully I just get that 1 B, and we're good, and we're good to go for 11th grade. But that's the hope. And some plans after finals: I'm going to be doing some more Team C sessions, going to be playing lacrosse, kendo, and some of that. So should be pretty interesting. I'm also going to start studying for AP exams next year, and compliant mechanisms with the online professor who posts videos. I think he's from UCLA. But yeah, that's basically all that's going on in my life right now. Yeah, do I like studying? No, not really. Well, I mean, I like some subjects. I like Chinese. I like Chinese because it's actually pretty fun. Do I like social studies? Some parts of it, definitely. I don't like to memorize geography. Or it's more like I like studying each subject. I just don't like being overwhelmed, because that's really what you're getting. Is you're getting overwhelmed because there's just so much you have to study. And you could say that's partially on the students' fault, because they didn't make up time to study. They didn't review after class. But truth is, you can't really review if you have 8 subjects a day. You can't review all 8 subjects perfectly when you have other things going on, such as clubs and competitions and whatnot. So it's really difficult. And I like each one of the subjects. I like Chinese, I like math. That might be ironic, but I really do like math. It's just, I like math. I just don't like getting scored on how fast I can solve questions. So that's, I think, very different from, those two are very different from each other. But yeah, I mean, there's not a subject that I don't like. It's just, I'd love to have time with the subject. I'd love to have more time with each subject to get to know their fun parts and everything like that, but that's just not possible. So, however, from 11th grade, our school does give us a policy where we can choose subjects. So, that means 2 things. 1, I can allocate more time to the types of subjects that I'm interested in. So if I'm interested in physics, I can take more physics classes. If I'm interested in English, I can take more English classes. And B is, I get to, well, study what I'm really curious about. So, for example, I don't have to study social studies or general sciences. I can just study, if I want physics, then I can just study physics. If I want to study environmental science, I can just do that instead of studying all the other arbitrary things like biology. I don't like biology. I just think it's memorizing. I mean, I would like it if I had, as I said, enough more time with that. But yeah, that's it. And I have my hair up like this because acne. I heard it's better to have your hair up like this for your acne. So yeah. Anyway, that's the end of the video log for today. Today is November 28th, and bye-bye.